In the case of DuPont releasing Gen X into the Cape Fear waterway, it should have never happened. Um, DuPont has a long history of lying to the public, hiding the facts and information from the general public, and the EPA permitted them to buy the facility, create the chemicals, and release the water containing Gen X with the promise from DuPont that they would not pollute. But with DuPont's history of pollution and unethical behavior, they have exceeded their amount that is permissible to being released from their manufacturing site. And ultimately, they need to shut stuff down. I think possibly they were trying with Gen X to make a product that was not as toxic as their prior chemicals that they were making. However, it still is toxic, and they need to be shut down. I mean, they make many other products that can still create money for them and for their employees and their investors. What they're doing is just damaging their reputation and the environment on an ongoing basis. So ethically, they violated all ethical principles, and it needs to stop.